Hello, welcome to Superb Channel, and today we are working on rice paper. We want to use it to decorate our cake. Then the first thing you do is to get water and get a color of your choice to get it done. Now we cut the rice paper into two, and because I don't need it to be extremely wide, so I cut into two. Then I'm working on one. Now I place the rice paper inside the water. You need a bowl that is not too shallow and it's a bit wide, so that you can actually be able to flip it around and dip your hand into it conveniently like this. Then you start working on you start filling the rice paper. You can see the rice paper has some designs on the body. While in the water, the designs automatically melt off. So once you can no longer feel the design on the body of the rice paper, please bring it out and place it on your silicone mat to get dry in a shape that you want. Try to style the shape with your hand. You dry it on the mat. If you leave it inside the water for a very long time and it gets too soft, when you want to lift it, it starts tearing off, so it won't be useful for you. So once you are filling it in the bowl, all you have to do is to notice that design is no longer on it. Then once you place it on the mat, try to shape out the tip at the base. Put the lines. If you want it in fan shape, whichever way you want it, just try to bring the tip out. And if it's coming on a fondant cake, you try to add a kebab stick on that base. Then you wrap it with the kebab stick so that it can dry with it. Then it will be easy to be inserted in your fondant cake. This is coming on a whipped cream cake, so with that tip that is pointed like that, we are good to go. So you leave this overnight and it's dry perfectly before the following day. It will dry perfectly before the following day. So you don't need to stress it like looking for it to dry. Just do it overnight and you're good to go. So this is the outcome the following day. Can you see how dried it is? And those pointed parts that I shaped out, they are perfectly nice. So that's the outcome of the rice paper, and this is the beauty on the cake. Can you feel it? This is so lovely. It can be used to decorate any types of cake. Thank you for watching. God bless.